Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove your Microsoft account from Windows in just few steps. Start by clicking the Windows icon, then click settings inside here. Just click settings inside here, go to account section. Here's the account section, click on it and click sign in with the local account instead. Here screen will appear, just click next. After that, provide the pin of your laptop and here click the password and new password and confirm password. Click next. After that, click sign out and finish. This will log you out and remove the Microsoft account from this device. Now you are now signed in with the local account and the Microsoft account has been removed from your PC. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips. See you in the next video.